Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for the love and the support. So, my beautiful people, today I have a quick one to share with you. One that's the normally station never end. You guys know progress the analyst that in this platform I give it to you back to back, nothing but the truth. So, that is what we are known for, and that is why progress the analyst is here to update you. And you have to do a favor by sharing our videos and like. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Please smash on the like button that says subscribe and turn on the bell icon so that whenever I drop a new update, you'll be the first to notify. So, my beautiful family, as you all know, progress the analyst, I'm here to give you all the updates, everything that is happening. You are the reason why I move kuru from one place to another, just to update you. Now, you guys know about the leader of Ambazonia, Dr. Cho Ayaba. How he was called for questioning by the Norwegian's police. That is the story that is all over. And as I'm talking to you, it is true, but he is not yet released. So a lot of people has been sending their solidarity messages. They are saying they are so pissed. Oh, why would they carry their leader just like that? He's a freedom fighter. He needs to be free. He's a best friend and a co-freedom fighter with the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu, and the Biafra Prime Minister Simon Ekpa. So it happens that there were a lot of things that has been going on. Hey, and knowing fully well that recently, that was last year, Dr. Cho Ayaba attended the Biafra Declaration in Finland that was hosted by the Biafra Prime Minister. So what happened later, this did not go well with the IPOB, that is the DOS, and some supporters of DOS. This did not go well with them. Now the wife of Nnamdi Kanu is trying to let us know that it's because of the part that Dr. Cho Ayaba took, that is why he was arrested. But I'm still going to tell you the reaction of people. Meanwhile, in this update also, you are going to hear also the reaction from the Biafra Prime Minister, person of Simon Ekpa, and also the message from the Ambazonia people sent to the Biafra Prime Minister, thanking him for standing by their leader, Dr. Cho Ayaba, and the people of Ambazonia. So listen to this update and hear the news in detail. This is coming to you from the wife of Nnamdi Kanu. He wrote, "The alliance between IPOB and Cho Ayaba of Ambazonia ended when Cho Ayaba chose the path of violence and destruction of his own people after Nnamdi Kanu's extraordinary rendition from Kenya. The aim of the alliance was a strategic cooperation geared towards building a lasting relationship with the Ambazonia people, considering the geopolitical and economic activities going on in the Gulf of Guinea. Putting into consideration also the role of Cameroon during the Biafra/Nigeria Civil War, where that part of Cameroon played a vital role in Biafra eventual defense. Cho Ayaba faulted the IPOB Ambazonia Accord, which led to IPOB leadership pulling out of every agreement they earlier had with him and his group. It was a very big disappointment for Biafrans, considering the importance of that alliance and what the relationship was meant to achieve. The calculative DOS was the future and took the right decision. IPOB vision and objectives are cleared." This is coming to you from the wife of Nnamdi Kanu, mocking Dr. Cho Ayaba that because he was arrested, there is a reason he chose the path of violence. He's now working with Biafra Prime Minister, which is Simon Ekpa. That is why things are like this. And the people did not take it lightly with her at all. There is a comment that I come across in the comment section where this was written. The person said, the truth is that the Ambazonia people has been fighting since 2017. After their independent declaration, they never invaded any Cameroon territory. Rather, they are defending themselves against the Cameroon military. Although I do not support their all-prepared war that was resulted to the almost extinction of their own people due to lack of war equipment and international support, I still support the Ambazonia people 100% until when Mazi Nnamdi Kanu comes out and say otherwise. Then other people were saying that in as much I respect you as our leader's wife, and we continue to do that, but sometimes you are misinformed. Dr. Cho Ayaba is already leader and leading the Ambazonia Defense Force before we went into accord with Ambazonia. What are you people even calling violence? Self-defense is a violence for you guys, right? Tell that guy who you quote from him that writing like this is unfair. Year to year without doing anything can never give him freedom. Biafra people and Ambazonia accord is very, very strong, and we continue to be together forever. And some persons were saying, why will you laugh or mock at the freedom fighter who was the same accord with your husband Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? They led the wife to understand that what Dr. Cho Ayaba is doing and fighting for, that is the same thing Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is also fighting for. And they went for that to say that if the wife of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu don't want Dr. Cho Ayaba to be released, then Mazi Nnamdi Kanu also will not be released. Come on, what is your take on this? But let us go into another thing. What the Biafra Prime Minister got to say to the Norwegian governor. We are also in the update, so stay tuned. So this is coming to you from the Biafra Prime Minister. He said Biafra Government Office of the Prime Minister press statement on the detention of the President of the Ambazonia Governing Council. Today I have a extensive discussion with Ambazonia Vice President, and I have been briefed about what may have transpired. We call on the Norwegian authorities to do their job in a civilized way, and also to understand that taking away the leader of a freedom movement does not solve the problem or stop the ideology movement for freedom. We urge them to also investigate every atrocity against the Ambazonia people, which Dr. Cho and Ambazonia people will be presenting to the concerned authority in Norway and beyond. Biafra people will continue to stand strongly with our brothers and sisters in Ambazonia. We stand with Dr. Cho Ayaba. We look forward to seeing him released soon. It is not the name you called us today that matters, but the name you will call us in 10 years. Our alliance with Ambazonia remain strong and intact. Dr. Cho is healthy and strong, and I am very optimistic that this is an opportunity for him and Ambazonia people to present their case and lecture those who are not on the known. This is coming to you from the office of the Biafra Prime Minister, Mazi Simon Ekpa, as we all know him. So the people were also commenting and hailing him, saying, oh, Simon Ekpa, you have spoken well. This shows that you are a freedom fighter. Why some persons are saying no, is because Dr. Cho Ayaba came to visit you. That is why he was apprehended. A lot of things were just going on. Why some persons also reacted positively that the Biafra Prime Minister is truly a freedom fighter, because Dr. Cho Ayaba is doing the same. Now let us see the message that was sent to the Biafra Prime Minister by the Ambazonia people. Now the Ambazonia people, they are so pleased with the response from the Biafra Prime Minister, and they respond back to him by saying the Hūřt declaration between Ambazonia and Biafra was a genuine commitment, signifying a bond and strategic alliance between two people facing oppression from brutal regime. We express our gratitude to the leadership of Biafra Republic government in exile under Prime Minister Simon Ekpa, and the government of Biafra for their unwavering support for our liberation leader at Cho Ayaba. Our alliance remains steadfast despite misinformed challenges. We urge the Norwegian authorities to conduct their due diligence as reports indicate that our leader has been fully cooperative with them. We also call on the Norway authority to uphold the rights of law and international law in this matter. And also they congratulate the Biafra Prime Minister Simon Ekpa for standing with them. So my beautiful family, that take us to the end of this update. Do well to drop your comment in the comment section, because I will be there reading out. What is your take on it? Do you think that people are so happy that the Biafra Prime Minister standing strong, tall and fit with the leader of the Ambazonia? Or what is your take about what the wife of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu wrote, knowing fully well that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu still in the DSS dungeon, just like what people are saying, that the wife of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is trying to mock Dr. Cho Ayaba towards what happened to him, that he was arrested in Norway. So what is your take? Are you supporting what she wrote, or you are in support with the Biafra Prime Minister, and also congratulating the Ambazonia people towards the immediate release of their leader that will be coming up soon? A lot of people are talking, but all the way I should be the one to give you all the updates back to back and make you current about the latest happening. For now, this is something that is really going on, and do well to drop your opinion in the comment section, what you think about everything that is happening around. Thank you so much. Try to remain your one and only Progress the analysis. I bring all the update to you back to back. Please do us a favor and share our videos, and if you haven't subscribed, subscribe, and see you.